Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a video for you guys showing you guys the new BH Cosmetics collection, and I wanted to use it in a video for you guys. It includes two palettes and a brush set. This is the brush set right here. I won't be using the brush set in this video. I'll probably do a separate video on it, but I wanted to do a makeup look with the two palettes that I got. I also got the little baggie right here that is so pretty. I really like this bag. Like, I can definitely carry my makeup in here, and then I can just so we got the Mimosa palette, and it comes in this little thing right here. Sliding it out, this is the actual palette. It comes with 16 color shadows, and then it does have a mirror as well. And then this is the palette right here. All these beautiful pink shades that really complement each other. I really like how this palette looks. It looks so pretty. And let's see what else. Then I'm gonna go ahead and slide that all out. And this one, I believe, oh, these are actually our bronzers and highlights. I didn't know. I thought it was going to be another shadow palette, because I actually didn't even really read it. I just kind of just saw the packaging. I was like, oh my god, it is super cute. Let me go ahead and cut this sealed open. So it does come with 3 bronzers and 3 highlighters right here, and it also comes with a mirror. So I actually did my foundation already. I haven't done like my bronzer and my highlights, so I guess we're gonna go ahead and try this out in this video. We're gonna go ahead and get ready. I'm actually gonna start off with my bronzer because I feel like I look weird without it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna go with cinnamon, and then I guess when I blend it, I'm gonna use batter. So I'm gonna be using these 2 shades right here. So I'm gonna use a cinnamon. I'm gonna go ahead and contour my cheeks. Ooh, it looks really pretty. Also, I forgot to mention, my code is back up. I know my code was deactivated because they were changing systems. So now you can definitely use code prettygrace for some money off. So definitely check them out. Your support means a lot to me. So definitely go ahead and use my code to save some money. So I'm just going to apply some of this up here a little bit. And then I'm going to contour the jawline just to it appears like, you know, I'm a little bit less cachetona because I got big cheeks, and I don't know why it bothers a lot of people. Like, I've gotten some rude comments about, oh, you should get surgery and fix your cheeks. Your cheeks are too big or too wide. It's like, I'm the one that has them. Why does it bother you guys? If I could, I would have done something about it. I'm gonna dip into syrup because they do have maple syrup and powdered sugar. I'm gonna do syrup. Ooh. Ooh, girl. You guys see that? And then on my nose, I forgot to contour my nose again. This is the bridge of my nose. And then also here, just to make it push up a little bit. Okay, so just trying to blend this. Use the Mimosa palette. It's so pretty. Look at all these colors. I don't even know what I want to do, honestly, but we're just going to go ahead and wing it. We'll see how it goes. So I'm going to go ahead and use, I want to say OJ. I want to use the yellow, the orange, the pink. I kind of want to add some purple under the eyes as well. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to add OJ to my crease. I don't know, maybe do a cut crease, something. Okay, so I'm going to add OJ here. I'm gonna be building this color, so I do like to take my time. going to add this to the crease and then blend it upwards. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to go back with the Sunny and just kind of blend that out. Alright, I'm going to grab another brush and I'm going to grab Sunny. Kind of use that to blend out the crease. Alright, and then I'm going to go back with OJ again and retouch, because once you blend, I feel like you lose the intensity and, you know, the color, so you just want to go back and retouch it. Alright. Alright, just want to make sure that everything is really nice and blended. I kind of want to go with pomegranate just to add a little bit more of a deep color in the outer corner. So let me show you guys. I'm not even showing you guys. Okay, so I used OJ for my crease, and then I used Sunny for the brow bone. And then I'm going to use, I think, pomegranate for my crease a little bit more, just to add a little bit more of color. And I'm just doing like little circle motions, taking my time to blend that in there. And then I'm going to go back with OJ and kind of blend that out, just to help it a little bit. I think that's good. That looks good. I like it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease a little bit. You can go ahead and add concealer. Whatever you guys have. I'm actually going to use concealer to do it. I still haven't found a good brush to do my cut crease. I'm using a Morphe M210 brush. That's like the closest I've gotten. I've seen people do hacks for brushes, like they glue the bristles together. I don't know if I want to ruin my brushes to do that, but yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. I'm not doing a big crease, but and I'm just gonna go halfway, so I'm not gonna go all the way, just half. Alright, that looks good. Put that to the side because I'll probably lose that brush. So I'm going to grab another brush and I'm going to apply some setting spray onto it. I like to kind of squish it together just to make it thin a little bit. I'm thinking I'm going to use Pop. I usually use like a champagne color, but I think I'll use Pop for this look. Just something different. So I'm going to go ahead and use this shimmery color. And start packing it. I think this is probably the wrong brush to use for this. We're going to have to make it work, girl. Yeah, I'm using the wrong brush. Honestly, this is too... I need like my flat brush. Here you are. Let's try you. Okay, spraying some. This is a Morphe M224 versus synthetic little brush. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I was using the wrong brush. Ooh, girl. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm gonna apply a little bit more. So I like to go over it once I applied it wet and set it with that same shadow, just dry without wetting it, just to set it. You guys can see that. Alright, I'm gonna clean out the setting powder from under my eyes. And my nose contour, might as well. Alright, so for under my eyes, I'm actually gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of concealer, just as an eyeshadow base. Alright, and then for under the eyes, I'm gonna go with Salute. And I think I'm going to do raspberry. So I don't know if I should do raspberry and then Salute. Let's do raspberry first. And then we'll blend out with Salute. Raspberry is this color right here. And Salute is this purple color right here. Trying to do as close as I can to the waterline, not to bring it down too low, because I'm actually gonna go with another brush and just apply Salute. I'll use this brush. Salute, it's like a lavendery color, and then just blend that out. This is a little different. Okay, for eyes, I either have to do champagne or bubbly. Fizzy, I feel like it would blend into pop. So I'll do champagne with my finger. Oh, girl, yes. Yes. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. Alright. Wow, I really like how this look is coming out. I'm gonna actually add a little bit more pomegranate, just the outer corner, just to kind of brighten it up a little bit. Girl, yes, yes, this is what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and then we can move on to lashes and lips, mascara, all that good stuff, and we can go ahead and finish the look. So I'll be right back after I finish the other eye. So I went ahead and put my eyelash on this one. I know it's a little crazy. You guys can wear less dramatic lashes, but I wanted to try something different because I usually try to stay, like, you know, in my little box, like whatever works. But I wanted to try these new lashes that Bold Face Makeup sent me. These are Seeing Double, and it's like a very dramatic lash, and I wanted to try them. At first they're very intimidating because you're thinking, wow, these are big lashes, I don't think I can pull them off. But honestly, like, this is what it looks like without the lash, and this is what it looks like with the lash. I mean, you can definitely change it up and use different lashes. I'm going to go ahead and use these ones. You can use prettygrace for some money off. I'll link all the products down below. You can use the discount code to save some money. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and actually cut this a little bit because they are a little too long for me. Alright, I'm going to let them get tacky a little bit. I do have the fan on, so I apologize if you guys can't hear the fan, but honestly, I cannot work without it, so yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my eyelash color and just curl my real lashes, just to help lift the falsies. Can't really see it, but yeah. I'm going to check with my mirror because I need glasses, so it's a little hard for me to apply my lashes when I can't see without my glasses. And I feel like I've been getting blinder by the minute, so. Alright. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara just to help them lift a little bit. I'm going to be using my Lash Freak from Urban Decay. And I'm going to apply some mascara. So just so that my falsies and my real lashes come together as one. And then I like this one because it has like a little brush tip thing on the tip, and then it just helps you brush and lift up the lashes. Go ahead and do it one more time and do the ball lashes. Alright, just push them a little bit more because they're still drying. I'm actually going to grab another brush and apply a little bit of setting spray. I'm going to go back with champagne and apply it again on my here because I feel like it's not popping as much as I want it to. There, I'm satisfied with that. Alright, they also came out with the Weekend Vibes So Extra Bloody Mary High Shine Plumping Lip Gloss Duo. It actually comes in 2 colors. Ooh. Right. These are plumping. So we have one in spicy and the other one is in so hydrated. So this is what they look like. I'm gonna try the spicy one. Ooh, I like it. I like the applicator because it's big and it's not small. Okay, so it's supposed to be plumping. There we go. The packaging is super cute. I really like it. This one I'm actually going to swatch it on my hand just to see what it looks like. Oh, it's a little, just the way it looks in the bottle, that's how it comes out here. They smell really good actually. And yeah, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Don't forget to use my discount code prettygrace for some money off on the BH Cosmetics new collection. The Weekend Vibes, the Mimosa palette. And then the Belgian Waffles palette. The brush set and the, what is it? The So Extra Bloody Mary Plumping High Shine Glosses. Definitely check them out. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Let me know if you guys would like to see more videos using that Mimosa palette. I really liked it. The pigmentation on the shadows are amazing, as you guys can see. I can definitely see myself using this palette a lot. The colors are beautiful, amazing. I love how they all complement each other in this palette. So let me know what you guys think. I love you guys, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.